Hello friends, I hope that the Excel tips and tricks which you are learning on regular basis, you are applying and enjoying those tips and tricks. Today we are going to learn another interesting Excel tip using which you can impress not only your friends, colleagues, but even your bosses, leaving an impression that you are a very smart Excel worker. So let us begin. Friends, today we are going to learn a very interesting technique or a shortcut key wherein using that shortcut key we can insert as many number of rows in between a set of data. Say supposing I have here some serial numbers added in this Excel sheet. Say I have up to 15. This is the Excel sheet which I have wherein the data is there. Now I want to insert say 5 rows in between after row number 5. Now what normally we do is we go to Excel, right click on the cell and then we will insert and then we will have to press enter key to entire row, and this is how we can insert a single row in after row number 5. Now using F4, which is a repeat previous command, we can insert number of rows. But see how many steps you have done. Firstly, you have gone to the active cell, then you have clicked on right click, this is 1, then you have pressed insert, this is the second key press, then you go to entire row, this is the third key press, then you go to click OK. This will have one row inserted after cell number 5. Now for repeating the previous command, we press F4 as many number of times. So key press 6th, key press 7th, key press 8th, key press 9, and then you have 5 rows. For at least 8 to 9 times you are pressing keys for inserting 5 rows after row number 5. Now this is the common method or common way everybody is inserting rows in Excel. Now today we are going to learn a smart trick to insert rows using a single click of a button. Now say again I am having this data with me, having 15 rows. Now after 5th row I want to insert say 5 rows. What I will do is I will go here, say I will go to the 5th row, make the 5th row active, and then I will press the shift key and place the cursor on the rightmost corner of the active cell, and then if I have to insert 5 rows, I will drag this particular symbol, crossbar type of symbol, to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows, and then leave the left mouse key and then leave the shift key, and you will see that there are 5 rows inserted after the 5th row, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do this as many number of times like this and for as many number of rows. So this is a very smart way of inserting rows by pressing simply the shift key and the left mouse key button. As simple as that. I hope you have enjoyed this trick and you will be applying this trick in your day-to-day Excel usage. Happy learning. If you have liked the video, please like it, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it to get regular updates on Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Thank you.